Magandang umaga, gabi, hapon. Ang kailan mga pinapanood ng episode ito, mapa-listener ka man, watcher ka man, o isasama minamahal na Black Knights.
Good day, Black Knights! I am Claire Ashley Amdumoplin from Yums 11 Regan, and I am your female podcast host.
Good day, Black Knights. My name is Robert Martinez Villacarlos from Human Fellow Shakespeare, and I am your male podcast host.
And welcome back to another episode of MMC,
or the Mindful Media Conversation. Hello everyone! Of course, welcome back sa MMC. It's been a long time, no?
Yes.
Sa last episode natin, but it is currently, what date ngayon? December 12.
Yeah.
But stepping back, of course, syempre, kahit December 12 na ngayon, let's talk a little bit, a few weeks back no? As you guys know, we've taken a break since glamping season has came. Pero with that, we have another episode, nakapag-uwis kami sa studio, and now we will be talking about our experiences sa glamping. Syempre naman, Claire, no? Since ikaw yung grade 11 student dito, ikaw yung freshman, gusto kong malaman yung experiences mo ngayon sa glamping.
Ayun, first, it's so good to be back, Robbie. Na-miss ko umupo dito.
Ako din.
So, ayun, my first experience sa glamping, well, to be honest, it was really hard for me. Kasi syempre, di ba, hindi talaga ako kung ano talaga yung literally gagawin doon.
Yes,
Tapos,
understandable
syempre,
naman.
alam naman natin, yung panahon is hindi talaga super ganda. So,
Hindi sumasang-ayon din.
oo, na-pressure talaga ako noon. Tapos, first time pa, so medyo na-frustrate lang ako kasi, anong gagawin ko? Paano ko may enjoy yun, di ba? Kasi umuulan. But then, naging okay naman siya pagdating ng second day. So, ayun, masaya siya kasi ang daming games, yes.
Tama.
Tapos,
Games.
lalo na nung second day na puro putik, nag-enjoy talaga ako. Akala ko talaga hindi ako mag-enjoy doon sa putikan. Pero, ayun, nag-enjoy naman ako. So, overall, okay lang naman. Nag-enjoy naman ako. Oo, kahit umiyak ako ng first day. Pero, okay lang. How about you, Robbie?
I'm
Since
glad to hear that.
ikaw yung, second and last mo na to as na mag-glamping, ano yung experience mo?
Well, it was fun. Ito kasi, sa glamping, it is like a moment or like those 3 days are very important. Lalo na yun yung time where magkoconnect talaga kayo ng buong section.
Yeah, totoo.
So, although meron talagang ups, meron din tayong downs, we all know naman na it's normal that we have our arguments within our teams and within our sections. Para sa akin naman, my experience with this glamping, well, next year it was fine. Last year it was fine. Kasi, same old things, di ba? And since bago pa lang ako last year, parang naninibago ako. Sure naman ako, naninibago ka din ng glamping
Oo,
din ng first year.
sobrang nanibago talaga ako.
Gets ko
Parang
yan.
ang laking paninibago.
Yes, gets. Pero kasi yung glamping ko this year, since alay naman na kami, alam na namin yung mga nangyayari sa glamping. And alam mo naman ako nung nangyayari sa glamping.
Yes.
Parang, alam mo yun, it's not underwhelming, but at the same time, it's overwhelming because of the fact that it's my last glamping night. It was fun. Admittedly, marami talagang games, maraming fun stuff na ginawa. Although we had our ups and downs, it was fun. We came through it, nakapag-enjoy kami bilang isang buong section.
Yes,
Alam niyo yan, 12 Shakespeare.
totoo yun.
Nag-enjoy naman tayo kahit papaano sa mga games natin. And although, syempre may mga napanalunan, meron may natalo, at the end of the day, ang bahalaga, nakibahagi tayo at syempre, we enjoyed what we were trying to comfort. Diba?
Yes,
Because
correct.
glamping yan nasa word naman yan, glamorous camping. Although it is not the traditional kind of way of camping wherein binibuild talaga natin yung tent and stuff like that, it is still enjoyable for the fact that hindi tayo nahirapan, but nahirapan pa rin tayo sa mga pinapagawa. Diba?
Oo.
Ang gulo hindi tayo nahirapan pero nahirapan pa rin.
Sige, in context, parang okay naman siya kasi yung way ba na magkakasama so hindi masyadong mahirap. At the same time, yung situation yung mahirap.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi syempre umuulan,
Very
ganun.
true, very true. But so now, Claire, what would you say or how would you, ano ba ito sabihin ko? How would you describe your experience sa glamping?
Ayun, paano ko describe yung experience ko sa... Kasi yung experience ko sa glamping talaga, napaka-andami niyang emotions. Hindi ko siya ma-jot down lang in one word. Kasi, for example, nung first day, nung pagdating namin, chill pa ako doon kasi nakikijump pa ako doon sa mga kasama naming technical. Then biglang, first day, binagsakan kami ng umuulan, tapos mag-amazing race kami. Tapos, nung part na yun, nung umaga, okay pa kasi at least hindi kami pawis, di ba?
Yes.
Pero, ayun, buong araw din akong basa nun. Di ako natuyo. Tapos pagdating ng hapon, nilagnat ako. Ganun.
Hala, nilagnat ka sa glamping
nilagnat ako
site?
Oo, nilagnat ako sa glamping. Tapos, nung gabi pa, hindi kami doon natulog. Tapos, na ano na ako doon kasi, hala, ang pressure, ganun. Pero masaya naman. Nag-enjoy talaga ako. Tapos, pagdating ng second day, boom, ang init. Tapos, hindi din kami tuyo kasi, ayun. Tapos, nag-enjoy pa kami kasi, mind you, una kami sa swimming pool.
Ang galing naman. Buti naman.
Ayan, so, ano talaga nun, kasi, hala, swimming pool, ganun. Tapos, wala kaming arguments ng mga klase ko.
Wow.
Yes, wala kaming arguments ng mga kaklase ko.
Buti naman.
Napakababait nila nun.
Cooperative.
Kaya,
Very
Regan,
nice.
thank you so much. Napakabait nyo.
But, syempre, I wanna share my part din no? Parang, for me lang, gastig ang ang napaka-shareable ko naman Pero ang sa akin lang naman kasi is like, it's a little bit sad. Because, it is my last year as a senior high student.
Yeah,
diba?
sabagay, totoo.
And it may be my last year bilang isang grade 12 student. Sana, kung hindi ako babaksak, prayers hindi ako babaksak, di ako ulit. But, with that, parang lang, it's kind of sad na it has came to the point where I'm almost a college student. Alam mo yun. I can feel kind of the pressure. Pero going back sa glamping, it is kind of sad that malay mo yung mga magiging classmates ko next year is hindi na sila.
Oo, syempre may part talaga kasi 'di ba, nag-entrance exam na kayo, 'di ba?
Yes.
Yeah, so going to different universities.
I've grown attached na kasi sa mga classmates ko, of course. Alam niyan, Shakespeare and London. Yung London ko kasi yung
Grade 11.
grade 11 section ko. And syempre, I have grown attached to them since I am I am a loyal student from MIA since day one, di ba? So, it feels kind of sad that yung glamping namin, although na-enjoy namin, we had our ups and downs, as I've said earlier. Mahal na mahal ko si Shakespeare. But, although this may be the last part of our chapters and we may have to rewrite another page for our college lives. And although baka hindi na tayo magsama-sama, I would love for you guys to know na I enjoyed every bit of experience that we've had with one another. Although we've had our ups and downs, although we've had our troubles, I am still glad and I will always be proud of my Shakespeare when I was the president in grade 11 and now I'm a normal student. It was amazing to be with you guys hanggang sa dulo. But with that, let's steer away from
Napakahaba ng message, no?
the sadness. Siyempre, parang hindi mo pa mararanasan since grade 11 student ka eh. Pero if you've grown attached, alam nyo na yan, mga grade 12 students dyan. Kung na-attach na kayo sa mga former sections nyo from grade 11 hanggang grade 12, it feels kind of sad that this new chapter will be without them.
Actually, mafe-feel ko yan. Kasi syempre ngayon, president ako ng Regan, di ba? And feeling ko nga, hindi ko sila kayang i-let go next year. Di ba? Parang magte-take pa ako ng another job para ako ulit mag-handle sa kanila. Kasi, ayun.
Alam mo yung feeling na hindi mo talaga sila mabitawan?
Oo, mga babies ko kasi yun sila. Sinasabi nga ni Sergio, ako na daw yung advisor.
But, do you have anything to say for the glamping experience? And with that, syempre yung mga din natin, mga classmates natin, di ba?
Ayun. Sana guys, sa mga classmates ko dyan sa Regan, sana next time, ulitin ulit natin yung energy, yung pakikitungo natin sa isa't isa, kung paano tayo maghati ng pagkain kasi kulang yung gamit natin. Diba? I enjoyed that kahit nawala yung kalan ko. Ay, yung kalan ba yun? Hindi, yung lutuan ko.
Ano nawala?
Oo, binawala. Pinagalitan ako ni mama. Kasi kinainan yun ng mga guy classmates namin. Tapos iniwan daw nila sa room kasi may laman. Tapos ngayon, hindi na nila nakita kasi napasukan na ng ibang section yung section namin. So, ayun po ako kasi doon po nakakita ng karote ko.
Naghanap pa ng lutuan sa podcast episode.
Please po, hinahanap siya ni mama. Ayun. So, again, sana po next time, tayo-tayo pa rin, ganun pa rin yung pakikisama. And sana, wag na lang sayangin yung memories na ginagawa namin together.
Very well said.
Yes, kasi 2 years lang ang meron tayo, guys. At doon sa 2 years na yun, tayo lang ang meron sa isa't isa.
Yes,
So,
very true.
And sobrang thankful ako sa pagiging professional nyo nung glamping, di ba? Hindi masyadong sumakat yung ulo ko kahit sumakat yung ulo ko. Yes.
Pero sumakit pa rin.
Sumakit pa rin, pero at least hindi sa kanila. Diba?
But, let's start again with stating the obvious.
Yeah.
Kita-kita naman natin sa design, sa decoration ng ating studio. Pero pang snowflakes, oh. And thank you pala sa ating production team na na-decorate nyo ang ating studio. I'm sure now you guys worked very hard. Of course, sa mga production team natin yan, hindi na magsasabi ng pangalan, but thank you very much.
Yes.
And let's state the obvious, of course, kahit hindi nyo nakikita, it is currently
Christmas
season. Or in other
Or
words, it is currently the
holiday
holidays.
season.
So,
Ayun. Ano na, Romy?
syempre, let's start sa Black Knights. Guys, it is currently the holiday season. Malapit na ang ating Christmas break. And with that, syempre, nakita nyo naman na yung decorations natin. I just want to remind you na meron kaming magiging Christmas special para sa MMC.
Talaga?
Yes, meron tayong magiging Christmas
Talaga?
special. Pero hindi yun ngayon, okay? Syempre, pinag-usapan natin ngayon is ang ating glamping experiences at ang ating mga message para sa ating mga fellow sections.
Yes.
But with that, syempre, alam nyo naman na, andyan na, oh. Merry Christmas, everybody! And syempre, holidays na natin. Malapit na mag-end ang year. Malapit na mag-2026. And it's almost the year or the end of the year. Well, with that, syempre, abangan nyo yung magiging ano natin, no? Yung magiging Halloween special. Tuloy na sa atin ako sa Halloween. Yung magiging Christmas special natin or ang holiday special natin para sa mga watchers natin dyan, sa mga Black Knights natin, and syempre naman sa ating mga listeners. But with that, syempre, thank you very much, everybody, for listening and for all of the things that we've experienced. Thank you very much. And I just want to lay out a little message for our watchers, our Black Knights. No? Thank you so much, Black Knights, for staying with me for the past 2 years. And syempre, it is an honor for me to be the podcast host of the MMC or the Mindful Media Conversations, hindi ba? And as always, alam mo yun, I just want to be thankful for everybody. For the production team, for Kuya Koy, and syempre sa ating mga directors at sa mga alumni last year, mainly kay Ate Rich at kay Ate Fio. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be the podcast host of the Mindful Media Conversations and be part of the Mias Network. May masasabi ka ba, Claire?
Oo, meron. Magpapahuli ba ako? Hindi. Hindi ako magpapahuli. So, ayun, as you all know na I'm a grade 11 student. And to be honest, my experience here in Mias, lalo na dito sa network, is really fun.
Yes.
Okay, I'm really thankful kasi they welcomed me with open arms. Yeah, so sa aming magandang president dyan, Ate Lay, thank you so much. Pa-Jollibee ka naman.
Zip-zip na naman.
Oo, talaga. So, ayun, sana next year, Black Knights, supportahan niyo pa din ako kasi ako na ang hawak ng podcast.
And syempre, wag natin kakalimutan yung technical sa atin, di ba?
Oo.
Yung mga technical sa atin na nagawin sa production team natin.
Napaka-ano. Sa mga, po. Sa mga technicals namin dyan na nag-ayos, nag-asikaso at gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay, thank you so much po. Mention ko na lang kayo sa comment section. Di ba? So, ayun, thank you so much. Sana next year, kung na ako na lang ang hawak ng podcast, supportahan niyo pa rin ako, Black Knights.
Hindi spoiler mo, hindi pa naman ako mawawala next year agad.
Syempre, another year. Diba? So, sa mga nagbabalak po na magmiyas at makita niyo po to, episode na to, kailangan ko po ng bagong podcast host.
Hinahanapan na agad ng bago.
Opo, kailangan
Hindi
ko po
ako
ngayon.
umalis.
Para ma-train na ni
Nakakabasta
Rob.
sa senior mo ako
Para ma-train mo na.
But yeah, again, let's conclude this session of our podcast.
Yes.
Thank you, everybody. It has been a pleasure to be recording once again in this studio, in this place, in this school. Siyempre, ang Metropolitan Institute of Arts and Sciences. Thank you, Ma'am Collado, for giving us the opportunity and allowing us to publish these kinds of things for our school as well.
Yes.
And our goal naman palagi is to spread news, and no, not news probably, but to spread knowledge across the people and make Mias known as a school and as an institution which is important for everybody as well.
Yeah.
But with that, my name is Robert Martin Carlos from Human of Shakespeare.
And I am Claire Ashley Amdumaplin from UMS 11 Regan.
And as always, stay mindful in the media while having conversations. Bye-bye!